Today, I would like to introduce this high-precision printer to you. This machine has completed its aging test and is ready to be packaged and shipped to our customers. This customer is a company engaged in the mini LED display industry, and the manufacturing of mini LED products requires extremely high precision in machine solder printing. The difficulty of manufacturing mini LED displays is no less than that of manufacturing mobile phones, computer motherboards, servers, and other products. Does anyone know what products solder printers are most afraid of? In my personal opinion, the most challenging issues I face are 1. Severe PCB deformation, with each PCB unable to align perfectly with the template. 2. Large PCB size, with solder joint size and spacing similar to BGA. This PCB is used to test the accuracy and stability of the printer. Who knows what components are on it? BGA, QFP, SOP, and QFN pads are all on this PCB. Furthermore, each area on this PCB has these chip pads. You can search online to find out what mini LED PCB pads look like. The PCB of mini LED is similar to BGA, with small solder joints and very small spacing between solder joints. Manufacturing mini LEDs requires high-precision printing, and even the slightest change can cause the solder to fail to adhere to the PCB pads. This M8 fully automatic visual printing machine is mainly used for mini LED, servers, and smartphones, can perfectly meet the processing requirements of 01005, 0.25 pH with equal spacing and high precision. PCB supports maximum size, L650mm W610mm, PCB flow direction, one-click switching between left to right, or right to left, and other different requirements. When you enter the template size range, the machine will automatically align the template with the PCB without the need for manual alignment. If your company frequently switches between different products, this machine is ideal. Switching from product A to product B takes only 5 minutes. To ensure that the bottom of the mold is clean, there are 3 ways to clean the mold: wet cleaning, dry cleaning, and vacuum cleaning. The device is equipped with a 2D solder paste inspection function, which can automatically detect problems such as missing solder paste and insufficient solder paste after printing. Finally, we would like to thank our customers who have purchased our M8 printer. We sincerely appreciate your continued support and trust. We wish you prosperous business, abundant wealth, and congratulations on your success. Our company specializes in providing automated production line equipment and custom non-standard automation solutions. If your company is interested, we would be happy to offer a tailored solution for your reference. If you need a high-precision printer, please contact us and we will develop a solution for you. Our contact information is www.jaimes.com. If you would like to learn more about related products, please like, subscribe, and follow us. Thank you for your support.